I'm Kelli Warner. Drowning is the second leading cause of death in children 1 to 4 years old, and 88% of all child drownings occur when at least one adult is present. That's why it's so important to take precautions every time your kids are in or near the water, and supervision is key. When the temperatures rise, Oregon's ocean, lakes, rivers, and pools become popular destinations for fun. But don't forget that water is dangerous if you don't take the proper precautions.
Drowning can happen in a heartbeat. I think that it's just so wrenching to know that in a matter of seconds your life can change.
Pediatrician Dr. Pilar Bradshaw reminds families to pay extra attention to safety around any body of water, especially in crowded areas like public pools.
And you really should, especially with younger kids, be within an arm's grab distance of being able to get them out of the pool, because the lifeguards are looking at hundreds of kids there.
Be sure you know what to do in an emergency. Learning CPR and basic water rescue skills may help you save a life. If you have a home pool, install a fence that surrounds all sides and is at least 4 feet tall with self-closing and self-latching gates. Have kids wear life jackets. And beware of standing water if you have young children.
Little kids have a very low center of gravity, very heavy upper half, especially because their head is so large. So any body of water, even just a couple inches deep in a bucket or in a bathtub or in a toilet, can represent a very significant drowning hazard.
Most important, always designate an adult whose sole focus is to supervise your children.
You need to not have your phone with you and be futzing with your phone. You need to not be drinking alcohol so that you're in your right mind, because it really takes that alertness, and you need to not be chit-chatting with a friend. So you really have to just be that designated adult who's going to be watching those kids, because their life depends on it. Never assume that a child who knows how to swim isn't at risk for drowning. All kids need to be supervised in the water, no matter what their skill level. For more safety tips, head to eugenepeds.com/healthykids. I'm Kelli Warner.